In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank account in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a bank account manually in your chart of accounts so your books stay organized and ready for accurate reporting. First, let's get to the right place. In QuickBooks Online, look to the top right and click the settings icon, the small gear. From the menu that opens, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account your company uses: assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Creating a bank account here ensures your deposits, payments, and transfers have a proper home. Once you're in the chart of accounts, click the New button. This opens a form where you'll enter the key details for your new account. For account type, select Bank. This tells QuickBooks that the balance is cash-like and should display on your balance sheet as part of your cash accounts. Next, choose the appropriate detail type, typically checking or savings. Pick the one that best matches the real-world account you're adding. While this choice doesn't change how the math works, it helps reporting and categorization stay consistent. Now give the account a clear, descriptive name. Think about what will make sense to you and your team later. For example, use something like business checking or operating checking. If you have multiple accounts, adding the bank name or a brief purpose in the title can help you distinguish them at a glance. You'll see an opening balance field. This is optional and should only be used if you're starting your QuickBooks mid-year or migrating from another system and need to bring in a beginning balance. If you do enter an opening balance, make sure the date matches the exact day you want your QuickBooks records to start and that the amount matches your bank statement on that date. If you're starting fresh at the beginning of a period or plan to bring in transactions from earlier dates, it's usually best to leave this blank and let your imported or recorded transactions build the balance naturally. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. Your bank account is created. You'll now see it listed in your chart of accounts under the bank type. From here, you can start recording deposits, payments, and transfers against this account. Quick tip: if you plan to connect your bank feed later, choose this existing account during the connection process to avoid creating duplicates. You've successfully added a bank account manually in QuickBooks Online. Pause and replay as needed, and you'll have your setup done in minutes.